Now when we can finally enter the ring, Portable won't bring Babalawo, you can bring it, I don't care. I'll first give a head start, 5 punch. To any part of my body, 5 punch first, head start. Before we start. With one kind of nonsense money as 100 million. What do you take me for? You will calm down. So you don't go talk that kind. I don't want to, because I know you, I don't want just to go far. But don't disrespect me like that again, so please. With all due respect. With no due respect, actually. Do not disrespect me. That's not cruise. Alright, so make I quickly respond to Soso Berekon for this disrespect where you won't put to my name. Now, before I answer you, Soso Berekon, what I'm about to say now, you can confirm it from Tunde Head Notes first. You understand? Now, because in my phone, they will TFCC, but Tunde Head Notes have this receipt. So last year, I was supposed to have the biggest event for Africa. When it comes to entertainment, last year, I was supposed to have it. Do you know what would have happened last year? If to say I agree. It was a fight between myself and 50 Cent. You can confirm from the president of the Boxing Federation, Omo Agege. He will tell you. I was supposed to fight 50 Cent last year. What happened? Why didn't you do it? Tunde had not followed in the process. 50 Cent don't talk. Everybody don't talk. Just for us to go and do it. But you know what, from my side, you know why? First of all, 50 Cent was requesting for $2 million up front. Do you understand? For a complete payment of $5 million. They now said they were going to pay me $100,000. I said, no, it no go work. Now, these people were trying to say, oh, VeryDarkMan, this thing will make you more popular. It will make you more big. I say it's not going to work. Now, they now contacted another African country that was willing to host it. Do you understand? So that it will boost their entertainment. They contacted 50 Cent. Everybody did not agree. They came back to me. I said I wasn't going to do it. The lowest, if I thought 50 Cent is taking $5 million, then I should take $1 million. They say, it's going to make me, people will know me, it's 50 Cent. I said, that's 50 Cent business. Me, they know me for Nigeria. I'm okay with that. I know they do popularity contest. So at the end of the day, it didn't work. Later last year again, I've been early this year for Ray Jones. Oh, come back from, now this year we go China. Yes. When we come back from China now. When we came back from China, Ray Jones Jr., I was supposed to fight him again. They brought another offer. I was supposed to fight him again. But somehow, the money where they see they talk, no, they reasonable. So you see where the level they. It was that thing happen. Me and Tunde Head Notes is aware. We just keep quiet. We all say, okay, yes. If they go pay the 1 million, boom! Post them online, blah! Everywhere scatter. VDM versus 50 Cent. Do you understand? Don't they talk to sponsors? Sponsors on day. But it didn't work. Because, man, I'm not going to take one kind of low thing to go and be on the ring. I know my worth. Now, let's go back to Soso Berekon. It is disrespectful to say you won't carry me now. Go fight for as low as 100 million. Will it be 100 million? Will it be 100 million? Think about it. Go ask someone. You know how much I don't take to charity this period? When I go just that time, I pull out 20 million regions. A lot of times when I'll travel, I know how much I take bye-bye. Don't be every day the video. I know how much I take bye-bye things. What is 100 million? You want to insult me, you tell me waka. So if you really want to do it, man say I won't chop your insult. There's no problem. First things first, you go first give me 500k first. They follow you the talk. Because think about it. Do you understand? You will make a lot of money. This is VeryDarkMan we are talking about. Putting me on the ring will get a lot of people to watch. Not be pride they talk now, real matters. The rat is plenty, the biggest movements in the country. Do you understand? Now check the engagement if I advertise them. Then if I come start to the post my workout routine, do you understand? When they go for training, people go see they keep up with that one. Then the streams for the people who won't watch. The money where sponsors go bring. People will go watch from around the world. You will make a lot of that money. So don't bring 100 million like you want to offer me one big thing, make I the shout. 100 million say no go buy you nice house for Abuja. So you are actually very disrespectful. Forget age, they try to disrespect my name. To be very honest. It's not cruise. It's not big disrespect. If you want to pull me first, you bring them. But of course, I doubt if you say if you get that kind of money. So you will have to sell your Rolls Royce. You will sell your Rolls Royce first. Then bring them first. You still know if you reach $500,000. So you still need to borrow more after you sell your Rolls Royce. Or you go sell like 3 or 4 of your cars first. Come. I'll come collect them before you come put price. Which will still be above $300,000 or $400,000 first. You dey see now? That is, you don't spend like $900,000, bro. Say you won't even carry me enter side there. As you say you won't see me finish, you won't caricature me. I am ready to be seen finish. At least that 500K now, if I use like 300K, go set up 1 or 2 things based on charity. You know, I know a lot of things already in my head. I go on to bring the youth together, do some things with my own squad and my own money. Do you understand? But to Tony, he shot me for 100 million there. You are close to Tunde now. Ask him. He will tell you. He will tell you. So you no go talk that kind. I don't want to, because I know you. I don't want just talk go far. But don't disrespect me like that again, so please. With all due respect, with no due respect actually, do not disrespect me. That's not cruise. That's not cruise. That's you trying to be disrespectful with one kind of nonsense money as 100 million. What do you take me for? You will calm down. They respect you. Go respect yourself, so. They respect you. Respect yourself. Don't try it again. But if you want to disrespect me, 500K first for me to consider. Then when I agree, we enter in. Then after that, we go. Everybody go separate way. But if you don't have that, nigga, don't put my name on your page again and disrespect me. Thank you very much. Peace and love. Don't play. If you play, you're going to learn and you will learn the hard way for real. I'm not trying to be cool with any of you all, man. Stay in your lane. Don't disrespect me again, so. Please, for real. Don't try it again. Thank you very much.